So today, guys, we're at the Northern Farm mountain bike trail. So I'm trying this out for the first time. Let's see how it turns out. I'll try and get as many clips as I can, but if I don't, then yeah, I'll just show you guys what I have. Okay, we are doing the Blue Trail today. It's basically, well, I don't have enough time, so it's 22 kilometers and I should be done within an hour and a half. This is nice. The wildlife here as well. There's a place where there's supposedly rhinos, but then I didn't see any today. There by that little river that I crossed, the times that I find rhinos there, but not today. I won't lie to you guys, this is getting scary. Looks like a scene from a horror movie. Look at this field of corn here. They're so tall. So I think they're all done. Can't say they're ripe, but they're ready for the picking. And the truck ahead, there are people actually picking them. Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Chrissy, and for this week, or should I say last week, right, Daniel sent a few translations, and I think before this you guys watched one of my cycle adventures that I did. It was a nice place that I usually go to do my cycling, so let's get to it. So this week Daniel had 10 things that he needed me to translate, right? And the very first thing that Daniel wanted to know was life is very expensive. Again, life is very expensive, and that in TWI can be said as abrabo ye kabo. Again, abrabo ye kabo. One last time, abrabo ye kabo. Now the second thing that Daniel wanted to know was, so Daniel wanted to know what Jimmy Jimmy B actually means in English. Again, Jimmy Jimmy B. Now that in English is one foolish person. Literally speaking, one foolish person. So again, Jimmy Jimmy B is one foolish person. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, how long will you be there? Again, how long will you be there? Now that in TWI can be said as wo beche woho. Again, wo beche woho. One last time, wo be che wo ho. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, how many times should I say separate everything? Again, how many times should I say separate everything? Now that in Twi can be said as mre dudu saying na minkanchra say ma ebianko. Again, mre dudu saying na minkanchra say ma ebianko. One last time. Mre dudu saying na minkanchra say ma ebianko. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I had a dream and it was troubling. Again, I had a dream and it was troubling. Now that in Twi can be said as mesondae na ehadwene. Again, mesondae na ehadwene. One last time. Mesondae na ehadwene. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, what was the dream about? Again, what was the dream about? One last time. What was the dream about? Now that in Twi can be said as na dae no fadie ho. Again, na dae no fadie ho. One last time. Na dae no fadie ho. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, just looking or just looking for what? Again, just looking or just looking for what? Now that in Twi can be said as mehwehwe keke. Again, mehwehwe keke. That is just looking. Again, mehwehwe keke. Wo hwehwe deɛ. Again, wo hwehwe deɛ. One last time. Wo hwehwe deɛ. Now that in English should be looking for what? Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, time going, we can't be here forever. Again, time going, we can't be here forever. Now that in Twi can be said as mreko yentumi ngo hafibo. Again, mreko yentumi ngo hafibo. One last time. Mreko yentumi ngo hafibo. Again, mreko yentumi ngo hafibo. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, don't rush me, I'll take my time. Now that in Twi can be said as empre metumi boasi. Again, empre metumi boasi. One last time. Empre metumi boasi. Now the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, you can't argue with me on this one. Again, you can't argue with me on this one. Now that in Twi can be said as wuntimini minchi yehu. Again, wuntimini minchi yehu. One last time. Wuntimini minchi yehu. But there's another way of actually saying that as well, and that is wuntimini ni yehu achinye. Again, wuntumini ni yehu achinye. Again, wuntumini ni yehu achinye. One last time. Wuntumini ni yehu achinye. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I know I've been away for a couple of weeks now. As I said, I've been busy with a lot of things, but I should be back to normal from next week. And guys, remember, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notification. And remember, please do go get the TWI Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn TWI quicker. Guys, remember, see you next week with lots of love from me, Kdei. Bye.